Hello everyone, welcome to the spring semester and to CHFS 3316 Human Intimacy. I've created this welcome video to welcome you to class and also just to quickly go through how our course will work, how you will access the material and so forth. Everything that I'm saying here is listed for you either on the home page or on one of the other pages, which I'll show you how to get to. But I know that some people are visual or auditory, and so that's why I've created these videos. I'm not super comfortable creating them, so please don't laugh at me, but hopefully this will still be useful to you. So this is the home page when you log into the course, which you'll see, and you might have accessed this video either from this page or from the page in the Module 1. So I'm just going to scroll down. It gives you a little brief introduction to the class, and you'll see here there is a welcome video that was from last semester. I'm creating the video that will go there. So when you actually see this, it will have this current video that I'm creating. This information here, right here, tells you how to access the videos. How to access the course material. What I'm going to do is just come all the way down and click on modules. Modules will be the way that you access all the information that you need for this course. Real quick, here we go. So in the introduction announcement that I sent out, I told you where to start, and you were going to click on the start here. The first page is the welcome page, which I'm going to go ahead and click on that because I do want to show you something that you should see on all the pages. When you scroll all the way down, you'll see the next button. This is really useful when you're going through the different modules. So this is the Start Here module, and it starts with our our home page. So then when you click Next, it's going to give you information on how to navigate through the course. So this is going to tell you what information will you find on these links, the professor information, the course assignment information page, course academic pages. All of these pages are within this current module that we're in. Then there's another module, Canvas Overview and Resources, content modules. There's at least 4 pages in each one, and we'll go through one quickly. And then on the left side of the screen, the different tabs that you can find, okay? So if I were to keep clicking through, let me come back up here, the next page I would find would be Professor Information. So let me just show that to you real quick. If I keep clicking Next, I'm going to come across all these pages in order. You can even see down there at the very bottom, it said that Professor Information was next. So there's my picture, and here's my information about my office hours and all of that kind of information. Of course, you can always use the previous button to get back to where you started. And then again, the next button tells you right here what page you'll see next, okay? So I'm going to just come back here, and I'm going to go back to modules. This time I'm going to access it from the left side of the screen. So here's the Start Here Welcome module. The home page we already went through, navigating the course I showed you, professor information. This next page, course assignment information, just kind of gives you some overview on what you can expect from the discussion boards you'll be completing, the journals, and then I already gave you the assignment directions for your final project, which is due at the end of the semester. So you can scroll down, and there's, like I said, the information, you read that, and then there's the actual directions, okay? So I'm going to use my back button, and I'm going to get back to where we were. So this is all in the Start Here Welcome module. And there's more information. So part of week 1, what you're doing is you're going through this entire module, the Start Here Welcome. I also want you to look at the Canvas Overview and Resources. If you're new to Canvas, this is really good information. If you've already used Canvas before, this might be a good reference for you. So we're going to quickly go through week 1, but I want to show you something. Here you can already see week 2. That I have the information there, but you see this little lock button. If you were to try to click on this, it'll show you the pages, but you can't see anything, and it says here, will unlock January 16th at 12 a.m. So this information, week 2's information, will be available to you on January 16th, if not before. I might unlock it before, depending on how everybody's progressing through week 1 material. So let me get back to week 1. I just want to show you what all your modules will look like. There's 4 pages. The first page is the introduction. On the introduction page, I have the unit goals and the to-do list for that week. Okay, and then again, here's that next button. Then you have your Unit 1 content. So for example, I wanted you to watch the welcome video if you already haven't done that. And then I put links back to the modules that I wanted to make sure you've reviewed, including the announcements and then the syllabus, and we'll go to that in just a second. Here's your assignments that you have to do. I will always have the due date of when the assignments are due and the time. Our modules will run from Monday to Monday. I give you the weekend to do your work because I know some people need extra time on the weekend, but I do suggest that you look at the discussion board early, you look at the journals, because you're not going to get the actual discussion question until the module opens. You'll know that you have to submit, your initial post and your peer post, but you won't know what the question is. And for your journals, yes, it's going to be due the second Monday of that module week, but you're not going to know what the question is until you click on it. So I always suggest you go through this at the beginning of the week and then work on it as you need to, knowing that you have until that following Monday to submit it. And again, the due date will be listed here. It's also listed in your syllabus. And so you have to actually click on it to get the directions and so forth. That's just how Canvas works. And then finally, we have the Unit 1 wrap-up page. So at the end of each module, we'll have the wrap-up page just kind of summarizing what we did and then what we're going to be going over in the next module. Okay? So I want to come over here to the syllabus that's on the left side of the screen. And so here is the actual full syllabus. I think it's like 12 pages or something like that. You can actually download it, print it. You have it available to you. There's more information than what's listed on this current syllabus page right here. But there's a little course description, the course goals, your text that you need, and then here's the course summary. Right now it's only showing the work from Module 1 because I'm updating some of the assignments for the other ones. So by the end of week 1, middle of week 2 at the latest, you'll see a lot more of these assignments listed. You'll see your discussions on there, and you'll also see your journals. You won't be able to click on them until they've been made available to you, but you'll at least see them and you'll see the point values for them. It's really important that you don't always come here to click on your assignments. You want to get to your assignments through the modules. Let me go back and see. You want to go through the introduction, the content, then the assignment page. Because on this content page, I'm going to give you some extra material that might not be in your course text, especially in this course because we use a course text, and then I'm bringing in a lot of other supplemental materials to cover all the topics that this course covers. So it's really important that you access the work through these weekly modules. So I'm just going to go back to the home page here. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me, call me, come to office hours. I try to answer emails as quickly as possible, but I don't answer them on the weekend. Just let me know if you want to talk about any of the content, if you have any questions. Yes, this course is online, but I'm still here to assist you with the material. I try to put in information that will be useful no matter what your purpose was in taking this course, whether it was a required course or you're taking it as an elective. I try to have enough material that the content is covered. I try to include videos or outside sources when I can, in addition to your text, because I really want to make sure that you get a firm grasp of the material. So if you have any questions, like I said, let me know. If you have any comments, concerns, anything at all, I'm here to help you. And welcome to the semester.